Hello there. This is not gonna be a makeup video for two reasons. A, I got a chemical peel yesterday, really mild one. Don't worry, I don't think I'm gonna be looking like a snake in a couple days. But my face does feel very tight. So I thought it best if I don't put makeup on it and I have to go through like the removal process and all that jazz. So yeah, Instead, I'm going to do a cleaning video. My friend Gabby Chavez, I'll link her down below. She has a YouTube channel and an Instagram, and she's amazing, and she has a really cute kid. You should go follow her. She requested a cleaning motivation video, and I'm not gonna lie, I watch a fair amount of cleaning motivation videos. They're really satisfying to me just to have like the sped up B-roll with a voiceover. It's just satisfying. And I got a lot to clean over here. So, oh, look at that up. So let's do it. I need to get caught up. I need to not put stuff on my face. It's a win-win situation, I guess. If you don't want to watch this, I have like 20 something other videos that you can watch or rewatch, or you have the internet, go live your life. I just really didn't want to miss another upload this week. So yeah, let's get into it. Hey, before we start, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You haven't watched the video, but you know, like the idea of the video, give it a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up for the chemical peel. Ooh, comment down below if you want to hear my experiences with the chemical peel. This is my second, technically. The first one was super mild. I think this one is like a step up. I don't know if I'm like an expert at it, but I can tell you what my experience is. Yeah. Oh, the other thing I want to say, my house is currently in the process of being decorated for fall and Halloween. I'm a basic white girl who really likes decorating for holidays. So I'm not doing a like tour in this video, but consider the decorations a teaser for something that's coming at the end of this month. I'm very excited. Also, I got my nails done. It's a little different for me. I don't know how I feel about it. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I hate it. Why am I rambling? Because I don't want to clean, that's why I'm rambling. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so I started off with some laundry. Gotta clean the dirty clothes so that you can wear them again. I don't really separate my laundry, I just kind of dump it all in. That's my laundry detergent. I use all. That editing was a little sloppy, and you know what? We're all gonna make it through. But yeah, I don't really separate my clothes. I just wash everything in cold water, and it generally turns out okay. Okay, that's me not wanting to clean this room. That couch turns out into a bed, as you see, and that bed became the collector of all clean clothes. So that was, not ideal, but, hashtag married life. So now I'm just putting all of the clothes back into baskets and then carrying them into my bedroom so that I can sort them and put them away, which, spoiler alert, took like 3 or 4 hours. Got me a bubbly water, mango flavor, not my favorite, but needed some bubbly water. So yeah, I'm converting that from a bed back into a couch. So I take off the sheet. We have that little foam pallet to make it a little bit more comfortable. There is kind of like a ridge in the middle of it, so the foam makes it a lot more comfortable. It was turned into a bed because on Labor Day, my neighbors decided to have a party at all hours of the night, and their living room backs right up to our bedroom. So that was convenient, just hearing a pounding bass all night long before I had to go to work. It was fun. So I slept in there. It looks so much better like that. That's me shoving some stuff in a closet. That's the blanket that my friend knitted for us for our wedding. So she recently passed away, so I like having that out and displayed. That's a little witch neon sign that I got from Target. I'm very excited about it. Gotta put my string lights back up. You know, booty guru things. Putting my Harry Potter Illustrated back into its jacket. Taking my old coffee cup to the kitchen, and then generally just tidying up, putting things back where they belong. That is my editing cozy, so that just lives there now. Taking stuff to the bedroom, coming back. I didn't really want to take down the lights. It's more hassle than it's worth considering that I have to do some more editing or some more filming probably this weekend. So I just left them up and moved them out of the way. My makeup brushes are extremely dirty, so I took those to the bathroom with the intent of washing them. Spoiler alert, I didn't. Putting things in drawers. If y'all want to see a beauty room setup video, comment down below. I'd love to make it for you. But generally just putting stuff back so that my desk is cleared and functional. There's a little Isabella sitting on the couch now. You can't see her, but there she is. Putting my wand back where it goes, lighting a candle. I need to check if that candle is still lit right now. But yeah, just generally putting things back where they belong. Asked Isabella if she wanted to hang out. She didn't. Okay, so now we are in the main portion of the apartment. Still just tidying up. I have to break down this box so I can take it to recycling. It's a Bath and Body Works box. I got some fall candles. Woot woot. Popping the bubble wrap? Question mark? I don't really know what the word for that is. Putting some books away. As you can see, there's a laminator that I'm putting away. Husband had some sort of nerd arts and craft project, I guess, for his Dungeons and Dragons team thing. I guess it's not a team. I don't know. He had to make something. So I'm cleaning up the mess. Again, hashtag married life. So I just put the laminator and the laminating sheets back, and then going back into the dining room. That's his lunchbox. Not messing with that. Putting my planner back into my work bag. And then that's a check presenter, not a check presenter, a waitress book, waiter book. Yeah. Okay, now I'm collecting some garbage. There was a fair amount, a lot from the nerd arts and crafts. I say nerd arts and crafts in like an endearing way, because obviously I'm a nerd. Oh, hey, pause. That was a Bath and Body Works coupon code, if you caught that. If you didn't, that's what rewind is for. So yeah, I'm just picking up all the trash, getting rid of stuff, making room for new trash, because that's how America works. And then moving the camera so that you can get a better angle. This is me cleaning out our fridge. Our fridge is kind of empty right now. But I found some stuff to throw away, so that's good or bad depending on how you look at it. I really want to clean off the stuff that's above the fridge, but I always forget about it until I do a video like this. Like it doesn't look. Oh, see, there's a penny scavenging. Scavenging? Scavenger? You can take the dog out of the street, but you can't take the street out of the dog. And she's like, "Hey, Mom, what'd you drop?" I didn't. This is my fall table. I think it's so cute. I got candy corn in that pumpkin. I love candy corn. It's very exciting. That table runner is from our wedding. Now what am I doing? Oh, I took the dogs out. Okay, so I give the dogs a daily vitamin that I'm going to show you. It's called Good Morning. It's for healthy joints because Isabella is probably pretty inbred and has some messed up
knees and hips. So we give her that, and I think it does help. So I wanted to pass that information along. Taking out more garbage. It had been a while since I did took out the trash. So, I'm not that big of a garbage person. Oh, I'm also listening to podcasts while I clean. Right now, I'm listening to the Approachable podcast, which is kind of a bummer. Alyssa was talking about what it was like to lose her dad. Uh, but yeah, after that episode, I listened to Two Girls, One Ghost. So, staying true to the brand. Now I'm cleaning up the kitchen, putting stuff away, and then, uh, oh, I got these jelly pumpkins for Derek because he does not like candy corn, and he likes them. They're orange flavored. Orange flavored, not pumpkin flavored. So do recommend. Okay, and now I am emptying the dishwasher. Thrilling stuff. Yep, just putting away clean clothes. Nope, clean dishes. Yep, those are definitely dishes, not clothes. Putting away knives because safety first. Now I'm cleaning dirty dishes to put those away. Okay, I'm emptying out my French press. Very important because French press makes the best coffee, but not if it's dirty, right? So we gotta clean that out. Okay, now we're looking at the living room. Oh, just collecting more dirty dishes. Okay, okay. That was abrupt. Okay, now I'm just kind of cleaning off the counters a little bit, putting things where they belong, checking that wine to see if it's still good. I think it is. There's really only one way to find out, and I didn't feel like taking a swig. So we're just going to vacuum seal that, put it in the fridge, and then I'll check it out tonight. Stay tuned if you want updates. Putting away the kettle. There was a bunch of panko breadcrumbs on the counter, like just a pile of them. I don't know how or why or how long that's been there because, you know, married life. Okay, so now I'm cleaning off the counters. I'm using the Method spray. I don't remember what scent I'm using. It might be lavender. It's not very scented, so it's fine. But just wiping everything down, keeping things nice and clean, getting all the crumbs because there's a lot of crumbs. Wiping down the other counters. Oh, you know what? It might not be lavender scented. It might be lilac scented. Either way, it's not my favorite scent. We really like the grapefruit scent, and then they have like a apple cider scent during the winter that we really like. Okay, and now I'm cleaning off the actual trash can. Mm-hmm. Okay, doing finishing touches, putting things away, putting new decor up. And then we got the vacuum. I look so smug. Okay, so this is me cleaning up the bedroom, making the bed. Isabella's not helping. Okay, and then I'm putting all of the laundry onto the bed and then doing some fancy editing to show that I put it all away, which I did. Okay, bye.
How's that for fancy editing? Oh, look at those pups. Okay, so the house is clean. I didn't get to everything today, but I really need to edit this video before tonight so that I don't feel like a failure. So I'm gonna leave it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it wasn't too out of the box and random. Keep an eye out for my fall decor apartment haul thing coming, we'll say soonish. Soonish, I haven't filmed it. Cool. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, see you on Monday for my next video. Give me a comment telling me what you want to see next, and subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I post a video. What a lovely service. Thank you, YouTube. Yeah, and I will see you guys on Monday, hopefully with a makeup video. Bye, guys.